Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise questions. Problem 2.39 In Millikan's experiment, static electric charge on the oil drops has been obtained by shining X-rays. If the static electric charge on the oil drop is minus 1.282 times 10^18 C, calculate the number of electrons present on it. Given charge of particle equals minus 1.28 into 10 raised to the power minus 18. Charge on electron equals minus 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. Solution. Minus 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 is charge of 1 electron. Minus 1.28 into 10 raised to the power minus 18 is charge of 1 divided by minus 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 into minus 1.28 into 10 raised to the power minus 18. So, equals 1.28 into 10 divided by 1.6. After calculation, number of electrons equals 0.800 into 10, which is 8 electrons. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.